going on, guys? Out here at Imes with Lucas, and today we are going to be doing something that you guys, at least one person in the comments, almost every single time I'm out here at Imes, keeps bringing up when we go over to this area. That's what we're going to be doing today, and I'm going to tell you about that guy that whenever we get over there. But we're going to be herping on the way over there, of course. But it's going to be interesting because at some point in time today at work, I got a pinched nerve in between my shoulder blades. So yeah, I can't like move my head without my whole body going back like that. So you'll see why it's going to be interesting when we get to this spot. You know, I think it's crazy how we can come out here and just stumble upon baby turtles and snapping turtles and baby black rat snakes.
Another day.
Other days, actually search hard and not find anything. Like, look, you'd think that'd be a perfect spot for something. Nothing. You guys don't know how many times we flipped.
Bugs don't work.
Just all the, like that spot. There's so many other spots that I don't have on film that we flipped 1,000 times. Nothing ever under there. We know the one time we don't flip it, there's gonna be something under there. Lucas just found a sneaky little fence lizard, like one of you guys saw me find in the last video. Oh, he apparently went, well, if he went into it, then he's gonna be on the other side. He's probably in that crevice.
Oh, yep.
Right there. There he is. Wait, nope, he's behind you. Hang on.
Oh, yeah, I see him.
There he is. Oh.
Sneaky little dude. Okay, let's leave.
Yeah. He was freaking out.
He's not.
Guys, we made it. Now you guys know what I'm talking about. We're going to be flipping as much around here as we possibly can. And then, the thing you guys are constantly telling me to do, and I'm actually going to do this time. Basically, I'm going to be climbing. You guys see it. Is this lens dirty? Holy crap, this lens is dirty. There we go. That's better. I'm going to be climbing all the way up here. Up in that area to really try to... And I'm going to try to do the same thing over here without killing myself. And seeing what all is up above. Start out here and work my way up, I guess.
Sounds good.
Can't even give me nothing, huh? It's still real. Remember, guys, when I told you we had a lot of rain. That's not back exactly where it was, so I'm sorry. Get Lucas to move it back in just a minute. Where it rains so much, all this ground is really wet. Normally, these ringnecks like it when it's dry, but I'm kind of hoping as I work my way up,
It gets drier.
it gets drier. Because snakes don't really like to be wet. Even water snakes, they generally like to remain kind of on land.
Semi-aquatic.
Yeah, they're semi-aquatic. But normally, guys, why I'm wanting to do this video this way, because normally we just check all these lower areas and never really get up here in the nitty-gritty.
Where things probably are.
It's a whole new world the further up you go. Ah, that hurt. That hurt too. Oh, okay. Really?
What?
There's nothing here and there's nothing really even that you can...
Ooh.
Okay, I didn't take that into account. That all these rocks
Could have fallen
are loose and could fall
at any second.
because they have a lot of cliff, like rock slides here. So I'm gonna
Come down.
check. No.
Nope, just come down.
Yeah,
We tried.
I ain't done yet, son.
Well, right there you tried. Want to check over by the quarry?
Oh, we're saving that for the next video. Because the next video, I'm going to have my GoPro on. and you guys are gonna get a POV style herping while I'm in the middle of doing all that crap. But it's gonna be a lot higher, a lot riskier. Alright guys, we just got done doing a live herping video. It's titled Live Herping with Lucas. If you guys missed it, be sure to go check that out. It's about 30 minutes long, but it's fun. Filled with a lot of good information. And now we're back here on the other side of the tracks now. And we're gonna go and check out some of these trails. Check out spots closer to the river because it is so hot. Yeah, hopefully there'll be something out there. So basically guys, we are over here now on this part, and this, yeah, I told you we got a bunch of rain. This water is up like no other. It's ridiculous. So we're kind of looking down in here against the rocks on these embankments, seeing if maybe something will be perched up there. Just kind of chilling out. And I know this isn't the most herp-filled video, but you know, these herping videos are not necessarily all about just the herps. It's about trying to help teach you guys, inform you guys about herping, and get you inspired to get out there and actually go herping, even though you're not going to find herps all the time. And when you don't, or you find very little, kind of like today with us, you just kind of got to lick your wounds and take your notes and plan better for the next time. Guys, this is why you look meticulously, because Lucas was actually on down this way and completely missed this black rat snake that is just chilling. Just chilling right there. I knew.
He blended in so friggin' well.
That's why I told you, man. Summertime's about meticulous, look, like really tedious looking, because he looks just like a crack.
We found a snake.
But that is, in fact,
a rat snake.
Juvenile black rat snake, and a pretty one at that.
He's so freaking dark.
He is.
For a juvenile, that's...
I know, it's ridiculous how dark he is for a juvenile, actually.
You think it's a melanistic?
No, I can still see the patterning kind of on him. See the patterning, it gets...
Oh, yeah.
But yeah.
I didn't see him. Good spot, man.
Rat snake in a bat cave.
We found a snake. Thank God.
Yep. Now,
we gotta try to get it.
I really don't know how.
I see a way.
How? I'm not getting in the damn water.
Never mind. There's no way. Unless you have this finger strength of a freaking god.
You might be able to do this, because remember in the first video you came in through there.
Yeah, but...
Oh, he's moving. He's moving. Where are you going, buddy? Is he
somewhere more reachable?
Is he gonna disappear? I don't know, I can't see where he's going.
I don't think there's any holes right there.
No, there's not. There's not. He's just cruising along, but he could go to...
Into that crack.
Into that crack before I could actually get over to him. I don't know if that's what he's planning on doing. I really don't know what he's out here looking for.
Bats, maybe? Because there's little brown bats that like to nest in these caves.
Yeah. It makes me want to go do another once-over this whole entire cliffside. Because there might have been some good stuff that we missed. Wow, I think that's exactly where he's going. Because he is just cruising.
You know, I'll count that as a find. And... 80!
Where are you going, buddy?
These snakes' ability to climb up walls like this is just astonishing.
Yeah, it's absolutely insane. Curious as to where he's going. He's probably checking these holes for cave salamanders.
That would make sense.
Because there are tons of cave salamanders normally in this spot. Camera's freaking out for some reason. Yeah, that's exactly what he's doing. He's on the hunt for some cave salamanders. And he's probably going to go straight down to this little hole right here and disappear. Or he's going to go across
to a catchable position.
Holy crap. If we can actually get this guy, that will be insane.
Let's just see what he does now. Oh, going up behind the fern. Oh. Where are you going, buddy?
I mean, rat snakes can literally go anywhere.
Yeah. I mean, we saw those ones at the cliffside.
I think he's just stopping right there. That's a perfect ambush spot. But I mean, if he were to get something, then... I mean, maybe little bats come in and out of this place?
It wouldn't surprise me.
I'm curious to see if we can actually get this guy.
Because of the still water down here, it makes me think that, he's still staying still. Somehow.
There's really no way to actually
get down there.
Grip onto anything, yeah.
How you gonna get up from there?
Just like that.
Oh, okay. Move on.
Yeah.
Bye-bye, little rat snake.
Alright guys, that's going to do it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Back out here, I'll come back out day after tomorrow. I'm going to have the GoPro on and actually just hit it hard. You guys got that POV style herping like I told y'all at the beginning of the video. And, but yeah, nice to end on a snake. I was not expecting to actually see a snake today, but... What did you do?
I don't know.
Anyway guys, see you tomorrow.